Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ancient Time Beauty Secrets. In today's video, I'm showing you all a simple weight loss drink using flax seeds. So now let's move into the video. Flax seeds are otherwise named as linseeds and these are easily available in the market. These are the best superfoods when it comes to our weight loss journey, as these are high in fibers and also helps in keeping us full for longer time. And these also stabilize our blood sugar levels and keep our digestion intact. So these are the different benefits, and apart from these, last but not the least, these are also a good source of omega-3 acids which helps in losing weight quickly. So now let us see how to make this weight loss drink quickly and effectively. Now let us see how to make this powder. First of all, take a saucepan and fry these flax seeds on medium flame for 1 minute, not more than 1 minute, or at the max 1.5 minutes. Do not give too much of heat to this. Just fry it for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes at the max and leave it, or else you can directly powder them also. Now place these in a mixer jar and powder them. It is easily powdered. So now your flax seeds powder is ready. This is how it looks, and it do not take too much of time. It gets easily powdered. So this is how it looks. So to make the drink, first of all, take some hot water. You can see the vapor around the glass. So there's nothing but hot water in the sense. Do not take too much of hot water. Warm water, and add 1 tablespoon of this flax seeds to it and mix it up. So and see that it mixes up very well without any lumps or anything like that, and stir it until it mixes well, and see that you drink the water along with this, along with the powder. There's a reason why I'm asking you all to stir it so well, so that the powder gets easily dissolved and it gets into your body and you gain all the benefits of it. So your weight loss drink is ready. Almost ready. To this, add half lemon. Just squeeze it. If you're allergic to lemon, you can just skip it. But if you could add lemon, for those who are not allergic, I'm just telling this for them. If you're allergic to lemon or any citrus, just leave it, skip it, and take the drink just with the powder what we have added. And if you're not allergic to lemon, add this. On adding lemon, it helps in boosting vitamin C, thereby helping in weight and fat loss. And it also helps in improving our immune system. So your drink is ready. It tastes so great, and it also has many health benefits. And coming to how to drink, either in the morning or at night. If you're taking it in the morning, see that you're drinking it with empty stomach. If you're taking it at night, you should drink it 1 hour before hitting the bed. So this is the condition. That's all. Hope you find this video useful. Any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.